Welcome back, everybody. We're about to try these coffees that we got from Walmart for y'all. Just got finished doing the grocery haul. If y'all missed that, I'll link it down below. So they're Chamberlain coffees. We have a cinnamon bun, mocha, and vanilla. We're gonna use Tyler's cup, y'all. We went through Dunkin' Donuts because Tyler he loves to get a cold brew with mocha, cream, and the sweet cream cold foam on top from Dunkin' Donuts. Let's see, which one do we want? I'll go with like a normal flavor instead of the cinnamon bun. We'll go with mocha. Okay, to be fair, I've never liked any canned coffees. Like, I've never had a canned coffee that I liked, so it could not be this coffee being not great. It could just be that I don't like canned coffee. I don't know. I mean, I've had coffee with almond milk and coconut milk before and stuff, and I liked those, but they weren't canned, so it could just be the can issue. I just don't like canned coffee. I feel bad because they're so cute. I don't want to give it a bad review. I don't know. If y'all have tried it and you liked it and you like canned coffees, let us know in the comments. That way people who like canned coffee will know if they should try it or not. But yeah, and I mean, we just tried the mocha. Titus you want to try cinnamon bun or vanilla, or would you like to try this mocha that we already have on ice? Have you ever had canned coffee? Like, you know, coffee in a can?
I think so.
Did you like it?
I like mine black.
Yeah. What do you think?
It tastes like some kind of Slim Fast.
Yeah, I knew that it tasted a little bit like something.
Slim Fast.
It
I
tastes
think
like.
I need a whole Totino's pizza. You got your Slim Fast shake going on right there.
Let me just try the cinnamon one, because I do love cinnamon coffees. Okay.
Take it from me, everybody.
The cinnamon bun one is better. And like I said, I like cinnamon coffee. I'm not really a mocha or vanilla. You know, I get caramel or hazelnut or cinnamon. This one I could handle. Like, if it was already in a cooler, or even if I just had ice to put it on, I would get this one again if there were any other options. Like, just because I just don't love canned coffee. But yeah, I could do this one.
Let's go and do lamb.
Who's gonna do the lamb? We'll save the lamb. We'll try it later. Oh, there's Miss Turkey. All right, y'all, it's a little bit after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're coming up here under the shade tree, literally. We have to duck down to go under it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
I told Manly the other day at Aldi it wasn't quite warm enough for the swimming pool. I take that back. I'm taking it back this week. I think it's just about warm enough. For supper tonight, we're making those grilled chicken sandwiches I was telling y'all about in the grocery haul. Found this idea on the Duke's Mayonnaise website. Well, I actually found it on Pinterest, but they had it, you know, advertising on Pinterest, but it's the Duke's Mayonnaise website. It's got a lot of stuff on it, but it looks really good, and we're gonna make sweet potato fries with it, and I need to cook up some bacon first because we do put bacon on it. Are you pretending there's a fire there, Jonah? We definitely need to get a little fire pit set up here. We decided this is where we're gonna put it. I think we told y'all. Right here on this side, we had this spot picked out and a spot over there, but we like this spot better. Yeah, let's see it sail. Is that a boat?
Yeah, it's a boat. It goes back.
Woo!
It was hurt.
Oh, it got hurt right there?
Yeah, and on the feet.
On the feet, yeah. That was a Clifford Band-Aid.
Yeah.
See, he got some artwork too, huh?
Yeah. And this quiver one.
Oh yeah, behind his ear there.
Yeah.
Is he gonna be okay? He's gonna make it?
No.
Oh no.
He didn't got hair on his horns.
Yeah, his horns are pretty tough.
Yeah, but they're really tough too. Head people.
Oh no.
Well, it's a baby.
Oh, okay.
And I can hold him up.
Oh wow.
Mama, where I can go hook my clothes at? And I can hook them upstairs at my room.
Okay, go ahead. All right, y'all. I got the bacon made for the grilled chicken sandwiches. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the fries. So I'm gonna do a few sweet potatoes to make, sweet potato fries. Some of the kids don't like sweet potatoes, so I have leftover thin cut fries, a few curly fries, and what are these? Crinkle fries. So it's gonna be a French fry medley tonight. Whoa, look at that sweet potato. These are gonna be the perfect size to make sweet potato fries. These right here. This one we'll save for something else. So what I'm gonna do to make these easier to cut is I'm gonna wash them, poke some holes in them, and we're gonna put them in the microwave and press the baked potato setting, but we're not gonna let it cook them all the way. We just wanna soften them up so we can really easily cut them. I'm not gonna worry about taking the skins off. We're just gonna wash them really good. Okay, so for the chicken, I'm just trimming it up and we're gonna put it into this casserole dish. You can also use a gallon-sized freezer bag to do this. We're just gonna marinate it in here and season it. We're just gonna season it though with a little bit of salt and pepper. Alright, so we've got it trimmed down and all cut to about the same thickness. Now we're just gonna season it with some salt and pepper. I got this little hamburger salt shaker from Ingles. I also got a hot dog one, but as soon as we got home, when Titus was getting the bags out, he accidentally broke the hot dog one. They were only like $1, I think $1, I can't remember, a little over $1 a piece at Ingles. Make sure we get a little salt and pepper everywhere. Okay, wash my hands. Now we're gonna take this Duke's Alabama white barbecue sauce, put all over the chicken. At first I thought they just had this on the sandwich, this and barbecue sauce, but then I saw that they put this on the chicken first to marinate it, and then when you actually assemble the sandwich, that's when you put on the barbecue sauce. And they use their Georgia sweet southern heat barbecue sauce, I think. We've actually tried that before and we didn't love it too great. Like, it wasn't the best barbecue sauce, but it's not terrible or anything. We have a lot of barbecue sauces here anyway right now. We've got like 3 open containers of barbecue sauce, so we're just gonna use one we have here. But yeah, they use their brand. Make sure we get a little bit everywhere. That smells really good. I've never had this Alabama white barbecue sauce. I'm gonna try it with a French fry in a minute. Yeah, you could do this earlier in the day. Let it sit in the refrigerator all day until you're ready to cook it. Okay, I think Titus will definitely like this one. It says a peppery blend of spices and tangy horseradish to dip everything in. We're ready to cook the chicken. We're just gonna start adding it in the skillet here. Okay, we got the first batch done. Now the rest of these are a little bigger, so I might only be able to do a couple at a time here. Okay, y'all, we start by putting a little bit of this barbecue sauce on the bottom and the top. We put the chicken. Now we're gonna put 1 piece of each cheese on here. We need white American and the regular. Now the bacon, lettuce, and I cut up tomato. They don't have tomato on theirs, but you know, if anybody wants tomato, we've got it. Now the pickles and potato chips. That's what it said. And that's it. Over the top, grilled chicken sandwich. taste test. Hear that crunch? That's those potato chips.
Really good. That whole thing is really, really good. I mean, I'm not joking. Delicious.
Y'all, he ain't lying. It's amazing. It tastes like it should be in a restaurant. And this, with those sweet potato fries, it doesn't seem like it would go good together, but it is wonderful. The sweetness of the sweet potato fries and then the tanginess of this, it's amazing. And it goes perfect with that over-the-top grilled chicken sandwich. I think that's what they called it, over the top. It's wonderful. Titus said that's a must do, must try. You must make that grilled chicken sandwich. Don't forget the chips. It doesn't seem like it would make a difference, but it does. It is so good. Time to shut everybody in for the night. I love the longer days. It's already after 8:30 and look how much daylight we still have. Manly's the last one for bath time tonight. He's usually first, but he's last. Look how he's standing there waiting on me. Oh, it looks like a pretty colored sunset in the front. Let's go look at it. Come on, I'll give you a piggyback ride. He didn't have his shoes on. You're getting pretty heavy.
Sunset.
Yeah, see those pretty colors?
Yeah.
It's not picking them up too good on the camera.